More than 16,000 uninsured vehicles were seized by Gardaí in the first 10 months of last year. A change in the law, which now makes it mandatory for insurance companies to collect the unique driver number of everybody to be named on a policy before it can be issued, as well as increasing technology available to Gardaí, has made it much more difficult for drivers to take to the roads uninsured without the chance of being caught. The Irish Motor Insurance database is shared with Gardaí electronically on a daily basis, and Gardaí have more and more handheld devices to check people's exact insurance status. On top of that, automatic number plate recognition devices on the dashboards of a growing number of Garda vehicles are constantly scanning registration plates on the roads and comparing them to the database details, flagging uninsured drivers instantly. Since Gardaí gained instant access to the insurance data during roadside checks, an average of more than 1,600 vehicles per month have been seized, up from 2024, when nearly 19,000 uninsured vehicles were taken off the Irish roads. A Garda spokesperson said seizures of uninsured vehicles have increased significantly since the introduction of the database. Figures from the Motor Insurers Bureau of Ireland show that by mid-November 2025, more than 4.2 million driver numbers had been added to the database. Driving uninsured is a criminal offence. Penalties include on-the-spot vehicle seizure, an automatic court appearance, 5 penalty points and fines of up to €5,000 or 6 months in prison.